Unlock a new era of video creation by harnessing the power of Gemini Advanced. Today, we're diving deep into how Gemini Advanced can revolutionize your video production workflow. From brainstorming ideas to polishing your final masterpiece, get ready to create like never before. Our first step is generating video content. Imagine having an AI that can understand your vision and bring it to life with Gemini Advanced. You can do just that. Simply provide a detailed text prompt describing the scene, characters, mood, and desired action. For example, if you want a futuristic cityscape, describe it with specifics. A futuristic cityscape at sunset with flying cars and a lone figure looking out over the city. Gemini Advanced will then offer a range of visual interpretations, giving you multiple starting points to choose from. Once you have your initial visuals, Gemini Advanced's integrated editing tools become your creative playground. Most AI video platforms offer intuitive interfaces for piecing together your generated clips. Start by arranging your selected clips on a timeline, trimming them to size, and ensuring a smooth flow between scenes. This is where you build the narrative structure of your video. Next, enhance your video with dynamic text overlays for titles, captions, or key information. Gemini Advanced also provides curated music libraries, allowing you to select the perfect soundtrack to set the mood and elevate your storytelling. Beyond basic editing, Gemini Advanced excels at AI-powered enhancements that significantly boost production quality. Look for features that can automatically detect and correct visual glitches, perform intelligent color grading to give your footage a professional look, and even help you identify and organize key scenes. You can also leverage Gemini Advanced to analyze existing footage for emotional tone and suggest complementary edits, music, or even pacing adjustments, making your workflow incredibly efficient. This allows you to focus more on the creative vision and less on the technical minutiae. By integrating Gemini Advanced into your creative process, you're not just making a video. You're collaborating with an intelligent system to produce content that is polished, engaging, and innovative. Start exploring its capabilities today and see your ideas come to life with unparalleled speed and creativity.